Hello everyone. In previous lecture of mole concept, we deals with the mole type third, or we can say the third type of the mole concept. And we seen the mole can be calculated by using the three formula. So now we mix the all three formulas of mole concept. We know that mole can be calculated by using the three formulas. Mole. If number of particles is given, then number of particles divided by Na Avogadro number, then we get the number of mole. And third type of pattern is the number of mole is calculated if the volume of gas in liter is given, then volume in liter divided by 22.4 liter. Is that clear? अब आपको यहाँ से क्या करना है, नाउ मिक्स द ऑल थ्री फॉर्मूलाज ऑफ मोल. सो वी कैन राइट इट नंबर ऑफ मोल N इज इक्वल टू W अपॉन M इज इक्वल टू N अपॉन Na इज इक्वल टू V लीटर डिवाइड बाई 22.4 लीटर. इज दैट क्लियर? दिस इज ऑल द फॉर्मूलाज ऑफ mole. By using all three formulas we can easily calculate the number of moles. और अब आपने क्या किया है, इन तीनों formulas को क्या कर दिया है, मिक्स कर दिया है. And different type of question arises. Suppose volume is given and examiner ask about the number of particles, then we include only two formulas. Number of moles given, we already have this value and we know about the Avogadro number, then easily calculate the number of particles. If number of particles are calculated, then we can say apply the N upon Na is equal to volume in liter divided by 22.4 liter. Is that clear? If volume is given and examiner ask mass in gram, examiner ask mass in gram, then we equal the V liter upon 22.4 liter and W by M. Then we can write W upon M is equal to V liter divided by 22.4 liter. Is that clear? If number of particles are given, then we easily calculate the volume. Clear? All three formulas are mixed up and these type of question are based on above three formulas. Clear? So let's we solve the one by one question and clear our concept of mole concept. In our first question, find out the mass. Our first question, find out the mass. It means we want to calculate the W in gram. And what is the value of given data? It is the volume. Then mix the first and third formula. Volume is given. Clear? It means we apply the W by molar mass is equal to 22 volume in liter divided by 22.4 liter. Is that clear? The volume of SO2 is 22.4 liter. First, volume of SO2 gas is equal to 22.4 liter and we want to calculate the mass. It means we are going to calculate the W, and this is the relation between the mass in gram and volume. It means we apply this and apply this equation to calculate the mass if volume is given. Then we write W by M is equal to V liter divided by 22.4 liter. The volume is also the 22.4 liter and This is the unknown quantity, and the molar mass of the SO2 is the 64 gram per mole. No need of air unit. This is the volume 22.4. This is also the 22.4, which cancel out to each other, and it is the 64 gram. Is that clear? This is the way by which you can easily calculate the mass by using the volume. Second is the 4.8 liter of NH3. Second question is the our second question is the 4.8 liter of NH3 गैस. एंड क्या कैलकुलेट करना है आपको? मास कैलकुलेट करना है ग्राम के अंदर. वॉल्यूम दिया गया है. दिस इज द गिवन क्वांटिटी, दिस इज द अननोन क्वांटिटी. सो W अपॉन M इज इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम in liter divided by 22.4 liter, and W molar mass of NH3 we know that about it is the 17, and volume is the 44.8, this is the 22.4, and this is cancel out by 2. It means W is equal to the 34 gram. Is that clear? This is our first type of question in which the volume is given and the mass in gram is asked in the question. Now move to second type of the question. Find out the volume in ml. आपको वॉल्यूम कैलकुलेट करना है किसके अंदर? ml के अंदर. और क्या दिया गया है आपको? नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स दिए गए हैं. नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स आर गिवन. If number of particles are given, if number of particles are given, number of particles are given and find out the volume, and volume is asked, then apply the N upon Na is equal to V liter 22.4 liter. Is that clear? Think about that. Number of particles are given. We already have the value of the number of particles and we want to calculate the volume in liter. Then put the value 6. First question is the 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 particles. Particles means it tells about the molecule. It tells about the molecules of ozone gas. Clear? Then apply this formula. It is the N upon Na is equal to V upon 22.4. But in this question the volume is asked in ml. By using our formula we calculate the volume and which obtain in liter. इस फॉर्मूले से जो आप वॉल्यूम निकालोगे वो किसके अंदर आएगा? लीटर के अंदर आएगा. क्लियर? एंड देन कन्वर्ट द लीटर इनटू ml. Number of particles are unknown which are going to calculate us. Then we can say N upon it is the 6.02 into 10 raised to power number of particles are given. Number of particles are given which is the 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 divided by Na is the same. We know that 6.02 into 10 to power 23 is equal to volume is the quantity. Which one is calculated? 20.4 liter. Clear? This is cancel out by this. So we can say volume is the 22.4 liter, or we can say volume is the 22.4 into 1000 ml. Is that clear? This is the way by which if number of particles are given then we easily calculate the volume if examiner asks in ml or liter. Clear? Next is the second type is the 3.01 into 10 to power 23 particle of CO2 gas. This is our second question of this pattern, which is the 3.01 into 10⁻23 particles of CO2 gas. We know that N upon Na is equal to volume liter divided by 22.4. This is liter. Number of particles is the 3.01 into 10⁻23 divided by 6.02 into 10⁻23 is equal to volume. This is the 22.4 liter. This is cancel out to each other and this gives the 1/2. It means it is the 1/2 is equal to volume 22.4 liter. Clear? And volume is the 22.4 divided by 2, it gives the 11.2 liter. But examiner ask the volume in ml, then convert this liter into ml. This is the 11.2 into 1000 ml. Is that clear? Or we can say it is the 11.2 into 10 to power 3 ml. This is the type फर्स्ट. देखो फर्स्ट टाइप के अंदर आपको क्या दिया गया था, मास इज गिवन देन मास कैलकुलेटेड एंड द वॉल्यूम इज गिवन. दिस इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ W अपॉन m इज इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम डिवाइड बाई 22.4. In second question, the number of particles are given. Then we apply the n upon Na is equal to V upon 22.4. Clear? Find out the number of particles in third pattern. Third pattern is the find out the number of molecules. We want to calculate the number of molecules by using the volume. By using the volume, number of particles calculated by using the volume. It means same formula will be applicable on this type of the question. So we can say we apply the n upon Na is equal to volume divided by 22.4. Clear? 11.2 liter of NH3. Number of molecules are given. Number of molecules are given. Find out the number of molecules. Number of molecules can be calculated. Number of molecules can be calculated by using the volume. So we can say volume is given and number of particles calculate. आपको इस क्वेश्चन के अंदर क्या दिया गया है, वॉल्यूम दिया गया है, कैलकुलेट द नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स. सो वी नो दैट n अपॉन Na इज इक्वल टू volume in liter and 22.4. Is that clear? First is the 11.2 liter of NH3. First question is the 11.2 liter of NH3 gas and apply this formula. This is the n upon Na is equal to V divided by 22.4. This must be taken in liter and also given the liter. This is the n upon Na and this give the what is the volume. Volume is the 11.2 divided by 22.4. This is cancel out by 2. So we can say n is equal to 1 upon 2 Na. This is the 1 upon 2 Na. And put the value of the Na 6.02 into 10 to power 23 and further calculate the remaining digits. In this question, we also calculate the number of atoms. Number of atoms. Clear? This is the number of particles and number of atoms is the 3 plus 1. Number of metal is the 4 into number of molecule. Number of molecules. In this question the number of molecules is this. This is the number of particles. It means it is the number of molecules. ये क्या है आपके पास, number of molecules है. मैं ऐसा कहना चाह रहा हूँ कि इस क्वेश्चन के अंदर यदि और क्वांटिटी अपने से पूछी जाती भाई व्हाट इज द नंबर ऑफ एटम्स ऑफ 11.2 लीटर ऑफ NH3, देन फर्स्टली फाइंड आउट द number of molecules, then convert the number of molecules into number of atoms, because we know that one molecule of NH3 have the 4 atom, 3 plus 1. Clear? Then it is the 4 into 1 by 2 Na, it gives the 2 Na. It is the number of atoms. And we also calculate the number of neutrons. One molecule of NH3 have 7 neutron, because hydrogen does not have any neutron in their nucleus. So one molecule of NH3 have 7 neutron, then 1/2 Na molecule of NH3 have 7 into 1 by 2 Na neutron. Is that clear? And number of proton is the 7 plus 10. One molecule of NH3 have 10. One molecule of NH3 have 10 proton, 7 plus 3. Then number of molecule is the 1 by 2, so we can say 10 into 1 by 2 N. Clear? And number of electron is equal to number of electron is also the 10, so we can say 10 into 1 by 2 Na. Clear? And we also calculate the number of hydrogen atom. We know that one molecule of NH3 have 3 hydrogen atom, so that 1/2 Na molecule of NH3 have 3 into 1 by 2 Na हाइड्रोजन एटम. अब सपोज कीजिए आप इसी क्वेश्चन के अंदर एग्जामिनर ने मेरे को ये पूछा होता 11.2 के फाइंड आउट द नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन. फाइंड आउट द नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन in 11.2 liter of NH3. Find out the number of hydrogen atom, find out the number of atoms, find out the number of neutron, proton, electron and hydrogen atom. ये सब निकालने के लिए आप इनिशियली के अंदर क्या करते हैं, हम सबसे पहले नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स निकालते हैं. नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल, फिर ये देखते हैं कि वन मॉलिक्यूल में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन थे तो इतने में कितने होंगे. इज दैट क्लियर? दिस इज द वे इफ एग्जामिनर आस्क find out the number of neutron in 11.2 liter of NH3, then first prepare the number of molecule by using this formula. Is that clear? And second type is the 22.4 liter of CO2. Second is the 22.4 CO2, 22.4 liter of CO2. और क्या निकालने हैं आपको? We are going to calculate the number of molecule. We know that n upon Na is equal to 22.4 divided by 22.4. This is the volume in liter. Volume is also given in the 22.4. Then it is the n upon Na is equal to 22.4 divided by 22.4. If the number of particles is equal to the Avogadro number, because this give the 1 mole. This give the 1 mole. Is that clear? And last one is the find out the volume in following. अब की बार आपको क्या करना है, वॉल्यूम कैलकुलेट करना है. एंड द मास इज गिवन, and the mass is given. Clear? Then apply the W by m is equal to volume in liter divided by 22.4. First is the 64 gram of SO2. First is the 64 gram of SO2 gas. Is that clear? It means W is the 64 gram and mass of SO2 is also the 64 gram per mole. Then we apply the W by m is equal to n upon Na. What is the mass? Mass is the 64 and this is also the 64. What is the number? Sorry, this apply this with a volume later divide by 22.4. It is the volume later divide by 22.4. This is cancel out and volume is the 22.4 liter, because this is the 1 mole, and we also know that about the 1 mole of every gas at STP and NTP have that 22.4 liter. Is that clear? Next, last one is the 44 gram of CO2 gas. 44 gram of CO2 gas. We know that 44 gram of CO2 gas also give the 1 mole. It is also give the 1 mole, and we know that 1 mole of every gas at STP oblique NTP has 22.4 liter volume, and by using this formula this is also the same. 44 gram of CO2, 44 divided by 44, which is also the molar mass of the CO2 gas, and it gives the N upon Na, and but relation is the volume 22.4 liter. Clear? Then it gives the volume is the 22.4 liter. This is the way by which you mix the all three types of the formula of the number of moles calculating. ये आपके पास 3 फॉर्मूले थे जिनको आपने क्या किया था, मिक्सअप किया था. बाय यूजिंग द वन फॉर्मूला टू अनदर फॉर्मूला वी इजीली कैलकुलेट द नंबर ऑफ मोल्स. क्लियर? And you are also capable to calculate the number of molecule, number of atom, number of neutron, proton, electron, number of oxygen atom, hydrogen atom, nitrogen atom, carbon atom. In molecules have presence of these atoms. Clear? तो यहाँ पर जो मोल कॉन्सेप्ट था वो फर्स्ट सेकेंड एंड थर्ड तीनों टाइप यहाँ पे ख़त्म होते हैं. तीनों टाइप्स को आपने न्यूमेरिकल्स मैंने अच्छे से करवा दिए आपको. होप यू अंडरस्टैंड वेरी वेल द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ द मोल. इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर वी रीड अबाउट द रूल्स ऑफ बेसिक प्रिंसिपल ऑफ केमिस्ट्री. थैंक यू एंड हैव ए नाइस डे.